Hello, I'm John Barrett, Executive Director of ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association, and welcome to the 2021 China Clean Expo. ISSA has a strong history in China, and we highly value our Chinese members. ISSA also has a wonderful relationship with the global leaders at Informa Markets, owners of the China Clean Expo, along with their local partner, China Expo. I'm very happy to announce that the Informa, China Expo, and ISSA China teams will be working even more closely together in an expanded partnership. And this will allow us to provide ISSA's international education, certifications, and events to China Expo's strong Chinese network of cleaning companies and facility professionals. During your time at this show, the 2021 China Clean Expo, please visit the new ISSA Pavilion, where we will be hosting valuable international education. I want to thank Informa Markets and China Expo for helping us grow our business, and more importantly, helping grow your business in China and around the world. We hope to announce an even more exciting development for this partnership in other countries in the months ahead, and I hope you have a terrific show.
Hello, I'm Lindsay Roberts with Informa Markets in the United States, and I'm the Group Director for ISSA Show North America and responsible for international expansion of the show portfolio. I am so proud that our very first target for expansion of this brand is into the large and very important Chinese cleaning and facility management market. The partnership we have been solidifying with ISSA, along with my Informa and China Expo counterparts in China, will set the stage for how we continue to expand this brand across the globe. The evolution of this partnership has been one of the deepest and most comprehensive global partnerships I've had the pleasure of being a part of. And for that, I'm thankful. I'm excited about the debut of the ISSA Pavilion and brand and China Clean Expo, and can't wait to see how this evolves in the future. I hope everyone is having a wonderful time at this year's event, and I look forward to being there in person with our partners and all of you next year.